This is Jacob Butler with Bloom Gardens, and I wanted to show this new bed I built. Right now I'm just composting wood chips in there to make some new compost. I will probably be doing lettuce in here later, either late this season or early in the spring. I wanted to go ahead and get it ready though, so let me walk you through what I've done. I had already had some composting wood chips here for the past few years. I raked away the sides of it so that I could put down these treated timbers. As you can see here, I've got them up against the house as well. I have filled the gap in between with sand. Let me show you the gap without sand. There. I will continue to fill in the rest of that with sand here in a few minutes. But I wanted to go through this while I had some light. So I made these row hoops. I will eventually plastic them all like this one, but they are held in through retention. Let me pop one out here. And these are made with just using some 9-gauge galvanized steel, and then I drilled holes, 5 holes by every 18 inches in these 6-foot wood slats, and then just pushed them in there. They'll hold in by themselves, but the retention from the curve makes them pop in real nicely and lock in. So you put these screws here so that they would lock in place. There we go. Put that back in. Alright, and then as you can see here, I have also done an electric slug fence, which has a positive on the inside and negative on the outside. Same on this here, positive and negative. They run down, jump across here. I'm leaving them bare. A lot of people will wrap them, but I'm gonna leave it bare just in case a slug somehow gets on the wire and touches it. That way it'll zap them either way. And then I used a hot wire to poke a hole, a tight hole, for the plug to come out, plug wires. And I just robbed one of these 9-volt battery connectors out of an old smoke detector. And that'll keep that nice and watertight. Set that on so it doesn't knock over. And I don't have any slugs out right now, but I'm getting ready to water the bed, and they'll probably come out soon. I'll try and get a video to add to this before I post it of the slug fence working. And that's all.